What is ChatGPT and what are the benefits of ChatGPT in future? ChatGPT or large language models like GPT 3.5 have several potential benefits in the future. Here are some key advantages. Number 1. Enhanced customer support. ChatGPT can provide automated and personalized customer support, answering frequently asked questions, assisting with troubleshooting, and offering suggestions or solutions. This can save time and resources for businesses while providing faster and more efficient support to customers. Number 2. Language translation and interpretation. Language models like ChatGPT can help bridge language barrier by providing real-time translation and interpretation services. They can assist in translating text or speech from one language to another, making communication more accessible and inclusive globally. Number 3. Content generation and editing. ChatGPT can assist with content creation and editing tasks. It can generate blog, post, article, product, description, or even creative writing pieces. It can also offer suggestions for improving existing content, providing insight and ideas for writers and editors. Number 4. Educational assistance. ChatGPT can serve as a virtual tutor or mentor, providing explanations, answering questions, and assisting with homework or studying. It can offer personalized learning experience and adapt to individual needs, making education more accessible and engaging. Number 5. Personal productivity. ChatGPT can act as a personal assistant, helping with tasks such as scheduling, reminder, and organizing information. It can provide recommendations, research topics, and assist with decision-making processes, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Number 6. Mental health support. ChatGPT can offer support and resources for mental health concerns by engaging in empathetic conversation and providing guidance. It can act as a supplement to professional mental health services, offering accessible assistance to individuals in need. Number 7. Research and knowledge discovery. ChatGPT can assist researchers and academics by providing access to vast amount of information and aiding in literature reviews or data analysis. It can help explore new ideas, propose hypotheses, and generate insights, accelerating the pace of scientific discovery. However, it is important to consider and address its potential challenges such as biases, misinformation, and ethical concerns associated with large language models. Continued research, development, and responsible deployment will be crucial to maximize the benefits of ChatGPT in future. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that you can get more informational videos like that. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.